My name is Johannes. I'm a medical research. I have been using this system for approximately 4 years. Probably it can be for my stress or for my very high levels of testosterone. I feel more confidence into myself. I look 10 years younger. I'm very happy with the system. More secure to myself, yes. And I'm very confident to myself. I feel much better. Well, in the beginning, I started doing with somebody that I charged me a lot of money. So one day, I go to the website, and I find my result. Well, the platform is great. Sometimes I want to do something different, but it doesn't give me the choice. But one way or the other, I figure out how to do it. I like the skin. It's very natural. I don't even feel anything in my hair. I feel great. One time I want to get as fast as I can. And I talked to those people, and today I have it. So the service was good. Most of the people don't even know it. Now that I pay cheaper, I can do 4 or 5. But when I do it through the system, the salon, it charge me like $700. I get maybe 3. The price is good, very affordable. The other two, the quality and the fast service. I just go for cut, and then I can do myself. And every 15 to 20 days, I can go to reglue it again and put it back. If I get something loose, I do myself. I think it's easy to maintain. But the problem is when you have to go to the places. I think it's okay. You have to pay like $40 to $50 every time you go. So if you go 2 times a month, it's $100. But the other product you have to buy to maintain. To me, Lordhair care about us.